You're listening to TAL Radio, powered by Touch a Life Foundation, and welcome to Foodology. I'm radio host Devansh, and on this show, I talk about the enormous world of a little word called food. Have you ever wondered how such tiny seeds are capable of giving birth to trees that become humongous in size? We often underestimate these seeds because of their size. Seeds are the essence of life. And since they are storehouses of the power to give birth to complex plants, they are and have been valued since ancient times. We all might have heard the story of a monkey who eats mangoes and then drops its seeds. After some time, those seeds had turned into little mango saplings. Seeds are the bearers of life. Culinarily speaking, they are rich sources of nutrients and provide the very basis of wholesome, natural plant-based diet. Interestingly, seeds are often called powerhouses. Seed varieties have declined significantly since the beginning of time, and even more so with plant domestication. Many problems may come upon us if we continue to depend on these limited varieties of corn, soy, and wheat. Let's start more than 100 million years ago. Around the time the flowering plants appeared, in the great inflorescence of Earth, as the late theologian Thomas Berry called it. For millions of years, flowering plants evolved, diversifying and developing sophisticated mechanisms for growth and reproduction. Humans first appeared on Earth much later, a couple 100,000 years ago. For our entire tenure on this planet, we have been surrounded by flowers, by the pollinators that evolved to tend the flowers, and by the subsequent fruits and seeds that these flowers produced. We truly are flower children. The modern crops that grace our tables today are all derived from a much larger number of plants that existed in those times. Those earlier crops were used extensively by our hunter and gatherer friends thousands of years ago. These plants had already adjusted and settled themselves into their natural growing locations. However, it was us humans who changed them to suit our own needs. While some of the early crop domestication flourished under agriculture, other potential crops were abandoned. Only the most promising crops were spread across the world, rest left behind. The history of civilization is the history of seeds. Thousands of years ago, we, the people of the earth, began to use flowers to our advantage. Today, I want to put spotlight on seeds, not the complex plant structures that they give birth to, because a very insignificant portion of the population incorporates seeds into their daily lives, which should not be the case. Hope that today's episode leaves you enlightened and that you start to inculcate these magical gems into your diets. Humans started to experiment with growing food rather than simply chasing it or wandering around looking for it. And so began plant domestication and the evolution of an agrarian society. Seeds and the development of varieties both allowed and encouraged our ancestors to settle down and become agricultural. When humans moved from Asia across the land bridge that we know today as the continent of North America, they carried seeds with them. Likely, one was the gourd, which originated in Africa. Seeds were transported from Asia across the world. Cultivation has its root in the simple word cult, from the Latin word cultus, meaning to care for. For thousands of years, at least 12,000 years, but perhaps maybe even more, humans have engaged in plant domestication, developing and caring for the crops that are familiar to us. corn, for example. It was not discovered in some valley or some faraway mountains. Corn was developed by us, humans. The genetic ancestor of corn is Teosinte, which was a large grass with multiple stalks and has simply a line of triangular seeds linked to a stem. Teosinte's kernels are so hard that they could break your teeth. Modern corn is most genetically related to a teosinte that still grows in the Balsas Valley of Mexico. Mesoamerican women planted teosinte. From it, they chose the longest ears with the fattest kernels and were happy when they crossed plants whose harvest overshadowed all prior. All this was happening around 9,000 years ago in southwestern Mexico, long before European contact. Over several centuries, humans transformed teosinte into the plant that we all know today. You go to the farmer's market and it is mind-blowing to see how much diversity you get to experience. You never know what the fruits that you see on a daily basis look like 5,000 years ago, do you? Carrots, lettuce, radish, beetroots, mustard, bok choy, and so much more, with multiple varieties of each plant food, all hailing from seeds. Seeds are considered as superfoods and have miraculous effects on the human body. Seeds offer a broad array of nutritional benefits. Forget your multivitamins. Seeds offer many of the same nutrients, fiber, and plant chemicals that we could never get from a pill. As plant foods, seeds provide our bodies with a nutrient-dense energy, while also leaving a low environmental footprint on Earth. Seeds make a healthy food a simple and easy choice for everyone. Seeds provide a similar nutritional profile to nuts and are a great source of plant-based protein. A lot of people are sensitive to nuts and have nut allergies. These seed-based products provide an alternative snack option for many. But they aren't just for people having food allergies. Seeds provide an excellent source of protein and healthy fats for omnivores, keto and paleo dieters, as well as vegans alike. These tiny powerhouses serve as a portable and gut-friendly fuel for athletes and boost optimal immune system, hormonal and cardiovascular health in every body. Seeds truly deserve a place in everyone's pantry and can be incorporated so easily into fun and exciting meals and snacks for you and your family. The first seeds that are worth mentioning are sunflower seeds. Inside the seeds of the tall, sun-worshipping sunflower, there's a burst of vitamin E. This vitamin provides abundant antioxidants to our bodies and is important for maintaining the strength and integrity of cellular membranes. This is why it is often credited for giving people glowing skin, strong and shiny hair. Just 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds provide almost half of the recommended daily value of vitamin E, which is incredible considering that recent estimates show that 90% of Americans don't get enough from their diets. Because the body can't absorb vitamin E without fat, the oil-brimming sunflower seeds provides the perfect package for our bodies to utilize this important antioxidant to its fullest form. There's just something special about these flowers that follow the sun. Today, they are a popular crop for home gardeners and rank among the world's most important oil crops. But they've got a really long and interesting past too. Sunflowers were first cultivated by Native Americans. Some archaeologists believe that they may have been grown in what's now Arizona and New Mexico as early as 3000 BC. Seeds were an important food source and were used in a variety of ways, including for grinding into flour, mixing with other vegetables, and squeezing their oil. When Europeans came to America, they quickly brought the sunflower back to Europe. Sunflower was primarily grown as an ornamental flower, until it became popular in Russia as an oil crop. During the early 1800s, it was commercially cultivated in Russia with more than 2 million acres planted each year and new varieties being bred. People with short-term or chronic inflammation benefit greatly from sunflower seeds, as they offer anti-inflammatory properties. Sunflower seeds are a great source of many vitamins and minerals that can support your immune system and increase your ability to fight off viruses. These include both zinc and selenium. Zinc plays a vital role in the immune system, helping the body maintain and develop immune cells. Selenium also plays a role in reducing inflammation, fighting infection, and boosting immunity. You can also eat sunflower seeds in a variety of dishes. Like, you can sprinkle them on top of a salad, add to your trail mix, stir into oatmeal, sprinkle over your fried or mixed vegetables, mix sunflower seeds into baked goods, or you can use sunflower butter instead of peanut butter. Next, we have flax seeds. These little seeds are very popular among skin and hair care fanatics. Flax seeds contain omega-3. They are not very hard to find in the food supply and have been associated with increased inflammation when consumed in high quantities. Flax is one of the oldest crops that has been cultivated since the beginning of civilization. The plant originated in India, but has been farmed across the world for thousands of years. Archaeologists discovered evidences that flax was cultivated in ancient Babylon as early as 3000 BC. Today, in Europe and Asia, a tall variety of flax is grown primarily for its fibers, which are used to make linen. A shorter, bushier variety is grown for its seeds in North America. North Dakota produces most of the flax grown in the United States. Over the last 2 decades, flaxseed has been the focus of increased interest in the field of diet and disease research due to the potential health benefits associated with some of its biologically active components. Its growing popularity is due to health imparting benefits in reducing cardiovascular diseases, decreased risk of cancer, anti-inflammatory activities. Research also suggests that daily intake of lignans that are found in flax seeds may modestly improve blood sugar. You can add ground flax seed to your cereals, to your cookies, to muffins, and even to your sauces, and watch your health take a positive spike. Next are pumpkin seeds. Not only are pumpkin seeds delicious, but they are also nutrient rich and super easy to find, especially due to their emergence as a health food in the last decade. As we all know, pumpkins are clearly American. Pumpkin and pumpkin seeds had a significant role in the ancient Mesoamerican diet. Actual pumpkin seeds have been found in Mexico and date back to as far as 7000 BC. Pumpkin seeds have been eaten throughout history for sustenance and medicinal purposes too. For example, pumpkin seeds were given to sick people as a means to expel parasitic worms and intestinal parasites from the body. As a result, they were also listed as an anti-parasitic in the United States. Pumpkin seeds are storehouses of magnesium. A high amount of magnesium is linked to improved bone density, which can help to reduce issues regarding bone health. In particular, osteoporosis in women. Magnesium is also great for people who suffer from problems in sleeping. Pumpkin seeds ensure better sleep, and a good night's sleep is associated with overall better health. These seeds contain many nutrients that can help to prevent type 2 diabetes. The large concentration of antioxidants found in these seeds limits the impact of reactive oxygen species, which is a complicated way of saying that they are good for your health and fighting off diabetes. Studies have found that pumpkin seed oil taken from pumpkin seeds may have the potential to prevent or treat urinary disorders. They are a great source of unsaturated fats, including alpha-linolenic acid. There has been a good evidence that eating pumpkin seeds because of their ALA content could be beneficial for the heart and the prevention of cardiovascular diseases as a part of a balanced diet. There are a lot of ways to eat pumpkin seeds and to include them into your diet. They can be eaten raw, roasted, or combined with other ingredients to create delicious meals for the whole family. They can be baked or made into pumpkin butter, which is a really good alternative to peanut butter. So, people who have peanut allergy can easily enjoy this on their toast or in their smoothies. Next, we have sesame seeds. Sesame seeds, just like flax seeds, have been one of the earliest cultivated crops in human history. And that is why we see them as a significant part of major cuisines all around the world. Because they have established themselves as a health food, and people in the ancient times discovered the magical properties and they included sesame seeds into their daily lives. Sesame seeds were highly prized in Babylon and Assyria at least 4,000 years ago. In Hindu legend, the seeds are a symbol of immortality. The Egyptians and Persians ground the seeds into flour, while the Romans made a spread for bread. Today, sesame is an important source of cooking oil in many Asian countries. The sesamin and sesamolan in sesame seeds are known for their antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Research shows that oil of sesame seeds enhances the effectiveness of traditional type 2 diabetes medications when they are taken together. Type 2 diabetes is a lifelong disease that doesn't allow your body to make insulin in the way it should. One aspect of this condition is high blood sugar, which is called hyperglycemia. Eating healthy foods like sesame seeds can help people with type 2 diabetes reach their target blood sugar levels. Additionally, the antioxidants in sesame oil reduce the amount of sugar in your blood. Sesame seeds get rid of the bacteria that causes plaque on your teeth. An ancient practice called oil pulling is shown to improve your oral hygiene and health when practiced regularly and correctly. Sesame oil is one of the most common oils used in this practice, which involves swishing a tablespoon of oil around your mouth when you wake up in the morning. These seeds are good sources of vitamin C and E, calcium and unsaturated fatty acids. To make sesame butter, you simply need to toast the seeds and run them through a hard grain mill or a blender. You can add water or olive oil until the butter is creamy and smooth. Sesame butter is great for salad dressing, vegetable sauces, or natural desserts with bananas, coconut, and honey. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny black seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica, which is related to the mint. Chia seeds were an important food for the Aztecs and Mayans back in the day. They prized them for their ability to provide sustainable energy. In fact, the word chia is the ancient Mayan word for strength. Despite their ancient history as a dietary staple, chia seeds became recognized as a modern-day superfood only recently. In the past few years, they have exploded in popularity and now consumed by health-conscious people all around the world. The antioxidants found in chia seeds can help to fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals cause oxidative stress and cell damage. Eating foods that are rich in antioxidants may help to reduce your risks of developing many health issues associated with free radicals, including heart disease, cognitive decline, and certain types of cancer. Chia seeds contain quercetin, which is an antioxidant that can reduce your risk of developing several health conditions, including heart diseases. These seeds are also high in fiber, which can help to lower high blood pressure and in turn reduce your risk of developing a heart disease. Chia seeds have several nutrients that are vital for bone health, including magnesium and phosphorus. A single ounce of seeds contain 18% of your daily recommended allowance of calcium, which is very important for your healthy bones, muscles, and nerve functioning. Last, but certainly not the least, we have watermelon seeds. People usually remove these black seeds from watermelons and throw them away. But did you know that these seeds have some magical properties? These seeds are super nutritious and healthy. Watermelon seeds have been touted as a superfood, and not without any cause. They contain more protein than almonds and peanuts and are loaded with magnesium and zinc. Magnesium helps to regulate the blood pressure and blood sugar levels. They are also a good source of iron, niacin, and folate. Watermelon seeds are a good source of zinc. It helps to boost our immunity, helps in digestion, cell growth, and keeps your nervous system healthy. Watermelon seeds can be fruitful to prevent heart attack, stroke, and they also lower cholesterol. Seeds are a great source of healthy fats, vegetarian protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Furthermore, they can help to reduce the risk of certain diseases. In particular, the lignans in certain seeds may help to lower cholesterol and the risk of cancer. Seeds are extremely easy to add to your salads, yogurt, oatmeal, and smoothies, and they can be an easy way to add healthy nutrients to your diet and happiness in your life. Thank you so much for sticking around on this episode of Foodology. I had an incredible time talking to you. This is radio host Devansh, signing off. Hope you have a beautiful and a magical day ahead. See you soon.